Alright, what's up YouTube? This is my update video of my 2003 F150. I recently lifted it about a couple months ago and I threw some 35s on there. It's looking pretty clean. As you can see with the 2-inch spacers, I get a little bit of stance going down this damn thing. Looks pretty nice. 17 by 9s, the ATX series. And I don't know if you can see a 2-inch spacer back there. Hub centric, of course. And I got some Rancho shocks in here. Bigger knuckle. I think it was a rough country 4-inch lift, but I cranked up the keys a little bit. But as you can see, she is sitting pretty tall. And don't mind messed up bumper. Hit a deer not too long ago. Shit's dragging everywhere. The truck needs a wash for sure, but hey, it looks pretty good. Other than the fact that it's dirty. I got some Federals. Plenty of tread left. They're basically brand new. Of course, the bad thing about these things, they catch a lot of rocks, as you can see. It gets thrown and chips your paint. Here's the back view of the truck. Of course, 2-inch spacers, you can see a little bit of stance. And there's my shackle back there, a 55-ton shackle. I use it to pull people out the beach, of course, and a little bit of show. For show, of course, yeah. FX by 4, man, this thing is a beast when I go mud, for sure. And going to the beach. Go the tires again. Needs a wash for sure. It's a little dirty. But yeah. And there you go. When I hit that deer, the bumper came in a little bit and bent that up quite a bit. Need to get that taken care of. Tell me what y'all think. Truck is sitting way higher on 35s. It's looking pretty good, minus for the messed up bumper. Needs a good washing pretty soon. Truck's pretty clean so far. One thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put what kind of bumper was it? Like an iron cross bumper. Yeah, I'm gonna put an iron cross bumper on here pretty soon. Change that out. Hopefully I painted gold. This kind of gold right here to match the rest of the truck, the two-tone. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the next step of doing that. Clean this truck up a little bit because it's been a while. It's been about 2 years since I posted a video. But yeah, the truck's running pretty good. It has 192,000 miles on it. Everything's pretty solid on it. But stay tuned. Like and subscribe the video. Comment what else I should do to it, and just for sure subscribe because I need to get my subs up so I can start making money. I used to make money off YouTube, but since they moved the subscriber limit up, I haven't been making no money. But yeah, there you go, folks. There you go. 35s. All right, peace.